guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyam, and in today's video I wanted to recreate a Deepika Padukone's look from Cannes Film Festival. We all know that this lady has completely slayed this look. I love the dramatic wing liner that she went in. So yeah, if you guys are interested and want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So I have already prepped my face with a moisturizer and a sunscreen lotion. These are the two products that I apply without fail before applying primer or foundation. And the primer that I'm using right now is from PAC. It is their Studio Finish Oil Primer. And this is one of my favorite, guys, because ever since I've started using it, I really doubt that I've used any other primer. It doesn't crease or even melt my foundation. Deepika had this really nice bronzy illuminating glow on her face, and for that I'm going to use a bronze illuminator from Makeup Studio. I'm going to dot it everywhere on my face and then blend it with my Morphe M439 foundation brush. Now I'm going to use this green color corrector to hide that bump. For that I'm going to use my NYX color correcting concealer, and then I'm going to set it with a loose powder just so the corrector does not move. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to use a Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in the shade number 10. Now I really like this foundation because it has this medium to full coverage. It doesn't have any flashback, and again this shade is going to be very close to Deepika's skin. Now for concealer, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Nude. This one is like 2 shades lighter to my face, and that's exactly what I want. I want a concealing as well as highlighting effect, and that's the reason that I'm using this particular shade. I'm going to blend this concealer using my all-time favorite tool. You guys know this is the Real Technique Miracle Sponge, and I always like to damp it so that the blending process becomes even more easier. To set that concealer, I'm going to use a Huda Beauty Baking Loose Powder in the shade Banana Bread. Now for contouring, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade that I'm using is Beautiful Bronze. It's a perfect contour shade for Indian skin. I'm also applying this concealer to my Cupid's bow and under my lips. It's a great way of getting bigger and fuller lips. To blend this, I'm using an oval brush from Primark. Now Deepika had a very chiseled, sharp face, and to clean that contour, I'm going to use a translucent loose powder from Krylon, and I'm going to snatch that contour to get a very defined and neat look. I'm also going to apply this under my eyes, nose and forehead. And then I'm going to use a clean blending brush to dust off that loose powder. I'm not going to dust off the loose powder from my under eye area because I really want to set and bake that area so that it is even more illuminating, and also because I still have to do my eye makeup, so in case there are any fallouts, it's easier to wipe it off. Moving on to my brows, I'm going to first brush up my brows using a spoolie, and then I'm going to use my Kiko Milano Precision Brow Pencil in number 1, and I'm going to fill in the gap areas. Now Deepika brows are on the brown side, so I also went in using Anastasia's Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown to make my brows look like Deepika's. Now moving on to my eyes, I'm going to first prime it with a concealer, and then I'm going to set it using a translucent white eyeshadow from Anastasia Modern Renaissance. If you see Deepika's look, she hardly had any eyeshadow on her upper lid, and that's the reason I'm going in with a very neutral shade from the same palette, which is called Burnt Orange, and I'm going to just run it all over my crease. Moving on, I will be applying a black kajal to my lower waterline as well as lash line. And the kajal that I'm using is from Swiss Beauty. I have watery eyes, and this one is 100% waterproof. So I definitely would recommend anyone who has got watery eyes to go with a waterproof kajal so that you don't end up looking like a raccoon because you don't want your kajal to bleed. Then I'm going to use a Kat Von D tattoo liner to create a perfect wing. I will highly recommend you to buy this one. This is slightly on the expensive side. You can also go with a lot of other pen liners that are there in the market. I mean, we have it in NYX, we have it in Maybelline, and it just really helps me in getting a steady line. I mean, you really don't want to go wrong with a look like this. For my inner corner, I'm going to keep it the same way Deepika has it. I'm going to extend that line from my tear duct, and I'm also going to use a little bit of liner on my upper lid just so that everything looks connected. Then with the help of a black eyeshadow, I'm going to set that kajal. It's also going to intensify the look. For the blush, I've used a MAC Peaches, which is an amazing coral peach color. The highlighter, I went in using MAC Soft and Gentle. It gives a very natural dewy look. It doesn't look made up, but yes, this highlighter is buildable, so yes, you can intensify the look as per your convenience. For the lipstick, I went in using a NYX Lingerie collection in the number 4. It's a beautiful nude peach color. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this tutorial. I had so much fun filming this one for you guys. Please share your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and commenting down below what were your thoughts. And with that being said, I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you so much once again for all the love and support. Bye bye.